Hi guys! So I'm going to show you how to install and use my preset pack for mobile. Currently, Lightroom Mobile doesn't support presets the same way that the desktop version does. However, there is a workaround and that's what I'm going to show you now. So when you purchase my Classic Pink preset, it will come with a zipped folder with the mobile compatible files in it. So once you've unzipped that, you can click into it and you can see that there is a bunch of DNG files, and that's what we're going to use to copy and paste the settings in the Lightroom mobile app. So once you've unzipped that, copy the folder and paste it into your iCloud drive. I already had it in there, oops, so I've just pasted over the top just to show you that's how you do it. So now it's in there, and that's all you need to do on your desktop. And now we're going to move over to mobile. Okay, so now we're going to go onto our phones, and I'm just going to show you the files that I've loaded into my iCloud drive. So you can see that the folder I copied and pasted is just there. And then when I click into that, you can see all of the files that were in that folder. So then you just need to go into your Lightroom CC app. And what I'm going to do is create a folder. Sorry, not a folder, an album. And then we're going to call it Classic Pink Preset Pack. Click OK. And then click on the three dots and go add photos. And then we're going to go into our files. And that is going to take us into our iCloud drive where we can see that folder is. And then select all of those and open. And then they should load into this folder. So you'll see them pop up as they get loaded in. And they might take a little while depending on the speed of your internet. So now you've got all the Classic Pink presets loaded onto your Lightroom mobile as settings. Now the way that it works is basically you copy the settings off of these files and paste them onto the photo that you want to edit. So I'm going to go ahead and choose Mermaid Tails in Warm. And I'm going to hit the three dots at the top and go copy settings. And then go OK. And then we click back. And I'm going to go into the folder that I've popped my Instagram photo into, or the photo that I want to edit. I'm going to click that open, and then on the three dots again, and go paste settings. And there you have it. So our Lightroom preset is now loaded onto this photo. And like I say with my desktop versions, you do have to adjust them a little bit depending on the lighting of the photo. So the main areas to look at are the exposure. So this one I'm just going to take it down a little bit. And then also the color, so the warmth and the coolness. So I'm just going to drag the warmth down a little bit and also take the tint up a little bit so it's a bit pinker. And now I'm really happy with that. So I can go into the three dots again. Actually, no, and then I can go up here to this export button and go save to either my camera roll or my files. So I'm just going to go save to files. Then you just choose the size that you'd prefer. and then it will let me choose where I want to put it on my phone. Okay, maybe not. I'll put it into my iCloud Drive and add, and then it's saved and I can open it up in Instagram or however else I would like to use it. So that's it. One thing to be careful of is with these files here, make sure you don't change the settings on those because that's where the settings are coming from. So just copy from those and then get out of them. So if you do have any questions, please feel free to check out my FAQ page on my website. Otherwise, you're welcome to email me. Thank you for listening.